Hello, this is a quick tutorial on how to upgrade your Kennel Connection 6.0 software to Kennel Connection 7.0. In this video, it is assumed that you already have the Kennel Connection 7.0 software installed and configured, and if you do not, you'll want to stop this and install it and configure it first. The first thing we're going to do is launch the KC7 upgrade utility. There's a couple ways to do that. You can go to your Start menu, Programs, and find the KC7 upgrade utility that way. You can use the search feature, type in KC7, and then choose the upgrade utility. Or the most common way is to simply open Computer or File Explorer, open your C drive, and open your KC7 folder. In here, in the K section, find the KC7 upgrade and double click it. Okay, now we're going to configure it to find the KC6 database and upgrade it to KC7. All we need to do is click on the Browse button where it says KC6 INI file, and it's automatically going to open you to your KC6 window or folder. Simply choose the WKennel configuration settings file. You can double click it, and you'll notice it puts in the INI file. It also understands what type of database you have, be it SQL Server or Microsoft Access. And the next step is to simply put in your upgrade code. If you've purchased the KC7 software, this would have been emailed to you. And if you don't have it, you can give us a call and we can provide that to you. Once you have your code entered, click on Upgrade Kennel Connection. You'll see here on mine that it's running through the different tables. This is a demo database or a test database, so it's very small compared to what most of you will be running. This process can take anywhere from 5 to 10 minutes for a small database to a couple of hours for a larger database. So you need to prepare yourself for that time. Alright, and you can see here that this completed. So I'm going to go ahead and click OK. I'm going to close out of File Explorer. And now I can launch my Kennel Connection 7. And all my data from Kennel Connection 6 will now be in my 7 software. Okay, now something to keep in mind: if you attach pictures or documents in KC6, those are not transferred over with the upgrade utility. So that has to be done manually. To do this, we'll go back into Computer or File Explorer, into C drive, and we're going to open your old KC6 folder. And simply, we're going to select these folders that we want to copy. So to select multiple folders, hold down your Control key on your keyboard, and we're going to choose KC Docs. By left clicking with your mouse, we're going to choose Pics, and we're going to choose Receipts. Once they're all selected, right mouse click on any one of them and choose Copy. And then we're going to go back. Now we're going to open the KC7 folder, and we're going to replace these folders with the ones we just copied. So find any blank space, like over to the right here, right mouse click, choose Paste. And yes, we do want to replace the files, so we'll click that option. And now we've brought over the folders and the contents from KC6 to KC7. Just note that my folders were empty except for the default pictures. If you have quite a few pictures or documents, the paste Can take anywhere from a few seconds to 10-15 minutes or more, so you have to be patient while that's copying over. And that's all you have to do to transfer over your files. Nothing inside the KC7 software has to be changed as long as you bring over the files here into your KC7 folder. The last thing I recommend doing, I don't have them on this desktop here, but if you are going to be using KC7 full-time and you still have the KC6 desktop icons or shortcuts on your taskbar, I do recommend deleting those shortcuts and taskbar shortcuts. That way nobody opens the wrong version of the software and puts data where it should not go. And that's going to conclude the KC7 upgrade. We do have knowledge base articles available for the upgrade as well, if you'd like that. And that web address is support.bluecrystalsoftware.com/KB. If you have any questions, please give us a call. Thanks.